Hello everyone, how are we? Off out today. Gonna go out and get some bite to eat, because obviously I'm not really doing many videos this week. But I'll do a review of this one wherever we go. I'm just going with the flow. And that and the lads in front. The other lad don't want to come. So there's only the three of us. So we're going to go out and have something to eat anyway. I don't know where we're going, as I just said. But we'll see what happens. I went in this place with a wanderer. I'll leave a link to his channel if you haven't seen it yet. We're going to review some food when we've done a collab with Tudor. We're not going in there today. Quite nice actually, food's quite nice in there. Well, that's where we're coming, the bowling green. I haven't been here for years, absolutely years. So I thought we'll come and try it. It's a bit out of town. It's a nice little place, and we'll probably sit outside if they've got music on under the umbrella there. So we'll have a look. Lunches from £6.79. Fixed price menu, 12 till 5. That ain't a bad deal, is it? What have I got on the other side? Sunday roasts, £10.49. Right, let's go and have a look. Right, we're sitting outside under the brolly. They've got music on in there. It is quite loud as well, so I won't be able to sit in there. We've got the menu anyway, so let's have a look. Starters, don't want starters. Lunch bites, no. Want something to eat. From the grill. Surf and turf, I haven't had that for ages. Hunter's chicken, gammon and chips. Pelican chips, scampi and chips. Posh fish and chips. I love me fish and chips. French style dip burger. What's that? Bit blowy. 2 premium beef topped with beef fillet tails. Montgomery Jack. Beef dip and gravy. That sounds lovely. Ooh. Cow and chicken burger. Well, we'll have a look anyway. We'll see what we're going to have. We'll order it. Children's menus. Small appetites. It's no good for you, is it, son? Small appetite. That's got a latte. We've got some Smarties. She's had some more as soon as I put it down, ain't you, Bab? I just got a water. The lad's just got a Coke. I said he could have had a beer because he's having a meal, but he's in the army. But he said no, he didn't want one. Good lad. I've ordered that. I want to try that French style dip burger. Why not? Through reviewing it, and that's just been boring and had a. Where's it gone? Can't find it. There it is. No, it ain't. There it is. Premium burger. And the lad's having a steak. He wanted rump. He didn't have any rump in, son, so I had to get your sirloin.
I've just started the cakes.
Okay, you're in having the cakes. You're in having the cakes.
Yeah, just started the cakes.
And the whole lot cost me £49. Your face.
What's he on?
£49 it cost me. The lad's been paid. He's left his wallet in the house, laughing. So I've had to pay. But it's worth it, eh? He's going back Sunday, so thought we'd come out for a meal. Yeah. No, Nat's looking at the cakes now, it's going to cost me more money. I'll let you know when the food comes.
On the back, son.
Food's here, and it looks delicious. Let me show you. Here's mine. Chips. What was it? French style burger with beef dripping gravy. There's Nat's, just a burger she's had with, what sauce is that? Mayo.
Yeah,
and chips. And there's the lads with his sirloin steak, onion rings and chips. Now I'm going to tuck in. Right, chips. Oh, they're nice chips. They are very nice chips. Bit of salt on them though, I think. How's your steak, Blake? Nice. Got it nice and bloody. Yeah. So you have steak, innit? I'm going to try it in this beef dripping. Oh, that beef dripping's nice. Try a dip of that, Bab. That's lovely.
That's like a
What you think?
sauce. That's tasty.
It's nice, isn't it? Beef dripping's lovely. I was getting this steak down his neck. You come out, when we picked him up last Sunday, was it Sunday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Picked him up last Sunday and we stopped off at the services on the way back.
That's it.
And he only serves his food, didn't he? And he only he went in, he got some wedges in a thingy. And I was gone in like 2 seconds, I was gone. First time he's had salt in ages. Bless him. Starving he was.
That burger's nice.
That burger nice. There's my burger.
Very nice.
It's got to be dipped in here, ain't it? I'm going to make a right mess here, ain't I?
Yeah.
Oh, smells delicious.
It's really nice.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
Mm.
Get you a bit.
Oh, that's gorgeous. Give me your burger in there. Lovely. Oh, superb. I mean, for the money, I'm glad it's nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
It's really nice, isn't it?
Good food.
How's yours, Blake? Good.
That's really nice.
I'm eating that burger last. I'm eating my chips first. That's gorgeous, that is.
Very nice. I'll come here again. Do you want to move that just over there? It's going to knock off the table. Thank you.
And that's tucking in hers, look. Royal into it.
Very nice.
I don't know if you can see it. Got the camera everywhere.
Oh.
Right, we're going to go and eat it. And that beef strip and gravy. Gorgeous.
Very tasty, isn't it?
Where is it? Where's it gone? I've got my glass on. 2 premium beef burgers, topped with beef fillet tails and Montgomery jack cheese with beef dripping gravy. That's gorgeous, that beef dripping gravy is. I'd like to know where they get that from.
I think I might that.
I wouldn't think they'd make, I think they'd get it potted up, wouldn't they? I don't think they'd make that.
I don't know, because it's got a nice sheen on top.
Well, yeah, it has got a nice sheen, yeah. Maybe they just use it out beef that they cook in the week and that.
It might be, 'cause it's got a sheen
It
on
might
it.
do,
'Cause
yeah.
if that was out of a packet, it wouldn't have that
Maybe,
sheen on it.
maybe, yeah, maybe you're right. Well, I'm going to go and eat it. Getting right stuck into this. It's lovely. It's gorgeous, man. Hey?
Wings brutal.
I should have told to put that on, shouldn't I? I didn't think.
Ugh. It's not fun, it's my back. It's in what my back.
Was that nice, Blake? Enjoy that. Not eating your onion rings. Mum will eat them. Mum likes onion rings.
I'll get this first now.
What did you mark your steak out of 10? How good was it? 6. Is that it? You've had better. You look nice.
It's that charred bit.
Is that charred in it? Oh, that's right.
Got my burger, look. Nice though.
Full up now. I've ate all my chips. What do you think of yours, Bab? What do you rate yours? Out of 10, what would you give it?
8.5.
8.5 out of 10? That high? Okay. I'll give that beef dripping a 10.
Oh yeah, that's different, yeah.
I'll give the chips a 7. And I'll probably give the burger an 8. So altogether I'd probably go about 8 out of 10. Compare it all together. I like my chips a bit more crunchier than that. It was really soft, but it was nice. But I like them a bit crunchier on the outside. That was gorgeous. That dip dripping. And this is nice.
I wasn't too keen on that.
Weren't too keen on it. What's that, mayonnaise?
It's like that $1,000 dressing. I think it's a touch of the rose. It's still hungry.
Still hungry? You mad or what? Stomach's still rumbling. Still hungry, the lad. He's hungry because being in the army, been having rubbish food, ain't you, son? Yeah. Food's not the best, he says, but never mind. Onion rings? Yes, no, you, yes. Don't care.
Don't know at the minute, I'm gone.
Proper onion, though. Was it better than them, where do you have them from? Weatherspoons. You had them Weatherspoons, didn't they? Weatherspoons better.
Nice. The batter's nice.
The batter's nice.
Very crispy. But it's a bit... I don't want to sound horrible, but it's greasy now.
Greasy. Very greasy. Very greasy on the onion rings.
I don't notice it at first. But now I can taste it now a bit.
She's not keen on the onion rings.
No. Not with a bit of my food is really nice.
But the lad gives it a 6. I think it's a bit mingy, that, but...
That's his opinion.
This is his opinion, yeah. You give yours a 7, did you say? What did you say? 8? What did you give it? 8.5. 8.5 to give hers. That did. And I'll give it... What did I give? An 8. I'll give an 8 altogether.
Yeah, but you said I went too hard, but yours is an 8.
Yeah, but it's the beef dripping with me that's made it that extra special. Gorgeous. Well, there we go then. As I say, just something simple because I ain't doing a lot of cooking this week. Would you come again?
Yeah.
With my money? Yeah. Yeah, she'd come again with my money. Would you come here again, Blake? With my money, yeah. Would you come with your money? No. What would you prefer, McDonald's? Yeah. You'd prefer McDonald's. Kids, eh? Well, there we go anyway. I'd come again as well.
It was nice.
I'd come again.
Time together.
I might have to come one day. We'll have to try Sunday roast. Me and you when the lads come back.
Yeah, we could.
Wouldn't we? See what the Sunday roast like. I don't think they do a car over here.
You're cold. Your hands are blue.
So there we go anyway. As I say, I'm the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye.